So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine.
How's it, guys? Welcome back to Young Adventures. Got Aiden, got Uncle Marcy. So we're out at Simonstown today. Uncle Marcy just went on there now with a squid. A lot of boats booking out to go to the deep today. Unfortunately, we can't do that today. I see the tentacle there. Came off. So they're just picking up Jude that side. They headed out to the deep for like...
Hello, Uncle Stefan!
They're going overnight.
Give yourself! I'm coming! Yes, please!
So yeah, they're going out to the deep overnight, so they'll be back tomorrow.
Hello, overseas. Good luck, Scotland. Standing by.
It's amazing out here.
Was you calling me, ever?
No, you calling me, Skipper.
That's you.
You calling me? Come on. Oh.
Little bit together.
Oh, Lexi.
Comas is on a roll today.
Yeah. What's going on?
I'm catching bait.
It's already, but nothing exciting.
Got to double up.
Okay, standing by.
Came off.
Where are you guys going to?
On foot.
We're
On again.
Repeat that again, Aki. Your people are waiting for you. Go jetty.
Did you get one? Yep.
Somebody talk over you. Yeah, we're here by the Frenchman. Anything happening there? We have just tried here between kids.
Oh, nice. Bit of size. Getting bigger.
Squirting in my hand.
And a nice size.
What color jig was that, Uncle Craig?
Say again?
What color jig was that?
Orange.
Much better size than what we get in.
So that's Uncle Craig over there.
He was
also
heavy.
joining us.
There he is on also. Oh,
Yeah,
easy.
both of them just
Off now.
dropped the squid there now. At least we're all
Hey, do you want
getting.
some sunblock? Craig's on again, yeah.
My face white.
No. I mean, yes. What did you want? Where's your goggles? Where's your mask in it?
So we're just gonna take a dive, see if we can find some jigs maybe that got stuck. Get about a good swim, good refreshment. Doesn't seem to be that cold. How cold is it? Well, it's like 15 degrees of water, so it is quite cold.
Is it 15?
Yeah,
Not bad.
not too cold, not too warm. Yeah? Lovely, lovely cold.
I'm a floater. None overboard, none overboard.
see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Whiskey 10, this is Ski Boat Mobile. You've got a fine sounding radio. Welcome to False Bay and welcome to your new beautiful boat. New Rescue Boat 10, this is Ski Boat Mobile. Ski Boat Mobile, we're very grateful for the welcome. Thank you. We'll be standing by 7169. What's the boat?
Serious.
Must be a
New Rescue Team,
It must be a new boat. I think. You must look for a cheap old fish finder for what's the name?
For what?
We look.
Yeah.
That's a cheapie.
Cheapy, this one can't even find hooker.
Hey. That's a keeper.
Good sea breathing. Lovely.
Yep, it is. It's red. It's red, but it's small.
Small one. It's a baby raven.
Rescue 10, New Rescue 10, compromise. Compromise is a Rescue 10, send message. New Rescue 10, a request from the photographers. Can you hold back a bit until we get there, please? Over.
This is station 10.
Probably the new boat, they're getting a new boat today probably.
Another sea breed.
Yeah. And the mic. Good job. Red Roman.
Oh, lovely. Oh, she's got the Roman.
Nice size. Nice size red Roman.
Our biggest Red Roman.
Is that?
Yep.
Double up.
Oh, it's got a shark there. He's got a nice red Roman. All done,
Is
Aiden.
that thing even size, ain't it?
Definitely.
Let's get that.
Yes. A jack cooked already.
Joking, man. He did, eh? Oh, I think you beat your biggest. Hey? Wow, that's a big
Look at
one.
that.
Nice one.
A new record.
A new personal
New
best.
personal best. Look at that mouth on there. Look at that mouth. Wow, guys.
Lovely red Roman
Look at
there.
that.
Big one.
Look at those chompers.
Nice. Very nice catch.
Personal best.
Well done, Aiden.
Thank
well
you,
done.
thank you.
So dark and cold-hearted, I'm breathless to say the least. So far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain.
So it's Wednesday now, and I'm going to be cooking up this red Roman that we caught on Saturday. This is the smaller one. This is 34 centimeters. The other one was 40 centimeters. I'm not actually good at cooking, guys, or filleting, but I'm going to give it a try. Not the worst, but not the best. So I've got the fillet here, and I got some olive oil in the pan, and I'm just gonna put some salt on, and maybe some herbs or something. I'm just gonna put some stuff on and put it in and see how it comes out. As I told you guys, I'm not good at cooking, and this is my first time with red Roman, like doing a red Roman, or I can't remember when last I ate it. So here we go. So guys, I think I remember my mom saying, skin side first. Woo. Guys, I got a lemon. I'm gonna, when it's done, I'm gonna put some lemon over it. Come on. Look at that. Yo. Amazing, guys. This fish is amazing. Oh. That's hot. Some salt. some lemon. A little bit more there. And some pepper. Guys, this is my first time cooking red Roman. I don't know how to cook, guys. That's not even cooked through. But it's still good. This fish is so good. Yeah, have a piece. Have a piece to try. Ah. With the lemon. Ooh, amazing. Look at this. Delicious. So guys, that's it for today's adventure. We had some fun times catching some Roman. I caught my personal best. I caught a nice 40 centimeter Roman. That's the biggest I've ever caught. And had a nice eat with that 34 centimeter one. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and don't forget to like and subscribe.